Fire sale alert! Looking for a spacious flood-free home in Las Piñas for under 10 million pesos? Talaga? Meron pa bang ganon? Yes. Gusto mo ba ng tahimik, maluwag at preskong bahay na swak sa budget mo? Eto na yon. Pagod ka na ba sa masisikip na bahay na parang kulungan? O yung tuwing may bagyo, kabado ka dahil binabaha ang paligid? O di kaya gusto mo na lang ng peace and quiet, yung tipong maririnig mo ulit ang hangin at mga ibon sa umaga? Introducing your dream home in Las Piñas, a corner one-story house with a big lot area, flood-free, tahimik, perfect para sa pamilya mo. Imagine this, umaga pa lang, nagkakape ka sa patio, tahimik ang paligid, may sariling garden ka sa harap at likod, at sasabihin mo, ito na yung bahay na gusto ko. Ronnie, ano ba ang details ng property na ito? Ito na, lot area, 254 square meters, floor area, around 115 square meters, 2 bedrooms plus maid's room, 2 toilet and bath, 2-car garage, indoor patio and outdoor garden, and the most important part, clean title. Yes, ready for transfer. At alam mo ang pinakamaganda, location is super convenient. Few minutes away lang from SM South Mall, Robinsons Las Piñas, Alabang Town Center, and Philinvest City. Magkano naman yan, Ronnie? The price is below 10 million pesos. Sulit na sulit for the size and location. Negotiable pa ba yan? Yes. But see it first, then we can talk. Lahat naman pwede pag-usapan. No hidden issues. Yes, no worries. Clean title, verified documents, legit and transparent transaction. Pero ito ha, this is a fire sale. Once sold, wala nang katulad nito. Flood-free, corner lot, tahimik, under 10 million pesos. So consider this. Act fast. Message now and schedule your viewing today. Questions? Don't worry, we got you. Flood-free? Yes. Negotiable? Yes. Expandable? Yes. Malaki ang lot. Clean title? Yes. Ready for transfer. Contact Ronnie Reyes, licensed real estate professional. Call or message me today. Let's turn your dream home into reality. Tahimik, maluwag, flood-free, yours for under 10 million pesos. Cash or bank financing, pwede. Your dream home in Las Piñas before someone else gets it.